This is Jesus Manuel Menegares. I hope you're doing fantastic wherever you are. In this edition, I'm going to be doing a short unboxing, a review of a certain product I really wanted to get. I asked a bunch of folks out there on my YouTube channel and also on Facebook and other platforms. I said, what charger would you recommend to charge a lithium battery? You know, that's a high quality. And they all suggested that I buy the Victron. So this is the Victron 12 volt 15 amp Blue Smart charger, IP65. Very nice. So it goes for about 150 bucks on Amazon. And I sent them a little check and I said, hey, don't cash this until payday, please. Now, I just used my credit card. So this is a very nice product and I look forward to unboxing and sharing with you. Again, I'm going to be charging some batteries that I'm going to be reviewing pretty soon from AoLithium, a very high quality manufacturer of lithium batteries. So I have to charge them up and check the parameters out and use their Bluetooth app. Yes, this even includes a Bluetooth app. Very nice. Bluetooth is always appreciated. So I'm going to be doing a review of AoLithium lithium batteries, and I wanted to charge these at home before I installed them in my travel trailer. So I hope you like this unboxing. If you have any questions, check the links below and leave your friendly, professional, ultra professional comments below. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's start the unboxing right now. Let's start off by checking out the box. Here's the box front and one of the sides. On one side, it has some various information. The fact that it's somewhat weatherproof, which is very nice. IP65 is a rather high weatherproof rating. I'm turning the box around. And here's some more information. Again, it says it's water, dust, and chemical resistant. Has a 7-step smart charge algorithm. Etc., etc. It has a lithium battery mode, and of course it has a very excellent Bluetooth setup. Let me open the box up. I'm using one of my X-Acto knives. I've been using X-Acto knives since the 60s, so I'm pretty good with X-Acto knives. Let me open up this box, and it came to me in perfect, absolutely flawless condition. There's 3 pieces to it: the actual charger and the 2 options that you have. You have one clip that connects to the batteries, you know, just little clips, alligator clips as they call them, and then you have some ring connectors. This battery, the main portion of the battery charger, is connected via these little rubber contrivances. I had to yank this paper off so it can fit. Let me just show you these little pieces of rubber. I feel that you can probably yank. They take these off because they're not necessary. They're only there to connect it to that little box. Let me show you this information here. Here's the details about this charger. You can pause this video at any time because I shot it in 4K for your visual pleasure. Again, I'll leave links in the description to the manufacturer. They are the best folks out there to answer questions. I am not an electrical engineer. I have family members, I have nephews and such, you know, cousins that are electrical engineers, but I am not. I'm not even a technician. So here's a front view. It has all kinds of information. For example, at the front of the battery, it says lithium ion, recondition, storage, flow, ABS, bulk test, etc., etc. Here's the ring terminals. You just snap those on, and this is very well built. I give it a solid A in construction. This is not some cheap product. And here's the information, the manual, a very modest manual in different languages that you can check out. And it's probably important for you to actually look at it before you start using this device. And you don't want to get your battery damaged by doing something wrong, of course. Or the charger damage. Again, this battery charger typically goes for about 150. They come in different configurations, different amperages. And let me unwind this right now just to show you. It's a rather long cord. It's about at least a good, I think it's a good, 6 feet long, I think. Snaps together rather readily. and only goes in one way and one way only. And pull it apart again. It came out, very readily. And those are those alligator clips. They're good quality alligator clips. They're not some cheap alligator clips. I've been, connecting chargers to my car battery since the 60s, so I know of alligator clips. But these are good little small alligator clips. Not the gigantic ones, they're small. And there's a ring terminal that attaches, again, readily to the charger. Here's a tight shot of the ring terminals. I really like the quality of Victron products. If you have any questions about this charger, please call the folks at Victron. I'm pretty sure they'll be more than happy to talk to you about their products. They have an excellent service record and excellent products at that. So here's a nice shot of the clips, the alligator clips, something that you can connect directly to the battery. So you have two options, the ring terminals and the battery clips. Again, I suggest you contact the folks at Victron if you have any technical questions. I'll leave that information, that contact information below in the description. Here's a tight shot of the brick, the main component for this charger. Again, it's a 12 volt 15 amp charger. They make various ones, and of course they make an excellent Bluetooth app. And this app is also compatible with their other products in the Victron line. Not only the charger, but also their charge controllers and other products, their shunts, etc., etc. I had a chance to use this app. Here it's showing the status, that it's in bulk charge and the voltage and the current information. Of course, it also has graph and history. I had to change the charging parameters for lithium ion, which is also good for lithium iron phosphate batteries, which were the type I was trying to charge. Excellent Bluetooth connection for the battery, and it shows the signal strength right there. It has a graph and it fills in certain areas and says, hey, it's in bulk charge mode right now. It's not an absorption, etc., etc. Rather good information. And of course, here's the history information for the battery. So it details that for you. Very, very nice. Finally, I'm actually charging the batteries. I talked to the battery manufacturer, the AoLithium folks, and they said, don't charge them in parallel, por favor. Charge them individually, even though in the charging bay of my RV, they'll be in parallel and they'll be charged that way. So I first connected the batteries, then positive, then the negative, and then I plugged it in and called it good. So here's a close-up. So again, it just got a little bit warm. That's about my only complaint. It got a little bit warm. Thanks for checking out my unboxing of this very nice Victron product, a 12 volt 15 amp blue smart charger IP65. Hope you like it. It's supposed to be weatherproof. It's supposed to be very nice. You can just attach it to your battery in two different ways. Of course, you can be creative. Some people are super creative out there, and you can, use it a multiplicity of ways. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, or your opinions of this video, please leave them below, abajo. I would greatly appreciate it. Muchas gracias in advance. And please like, subscribe, and share. This is a very modest channel. It's just starting to, grow on the old internet, and I'm hoping to get some more subscribers as time goes on. Wish me luck on that. Again, thanks for watching my video. This has been Jesus Manuel Mena Garza from Fort Worth, Texas. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.